Hello and welcome to my kitchen. It's the perfect dal recipe to cook in summers when ripe mangoes are in season. Quick to make and flavorsome. You just need to steam it with some rice and you have a meal. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. Cumin seeds to temper the oil, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, star anise, a piece of cinnamon, and a whole green chili. Moong dal or split green lentil. Vegetable oil for cooking. Some lime juice. Ghee to drizzle on top. And salt to taste. A small bunch of coriander leaves. And sweet ripe mangoes. I will cook the lentil in the pressure cooker. So the pressure cooker is heating up. I'll add in the lentils and dry roast it, stirring continuously till it changes in color. This should take a few minutes. Can you see the change in color? Some of the grains have turned dark brown, and that's when you know that it's done. Switch off the heat and wash the lentils 2 to 3 times in water. Once you wash the lentils, put it back on the stove. Add in sufficient amount of water and cook it till it's done. I forgot the cinnamon stick and the star anise. While the dal is cooking, let us quickly peel the mango and chop it up. Have you subscribed to my channel already? That's done. Chop up the coriander. The moong dal lentils have cooked perfectly. Let's move on with the recipe. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the cumin seeds. Lower the heat and add in the spices. Add in a bit of water so that the spices don't burn. Add in most of the mangoes. Just reserve a little bit for later. The mangoes are cooked. Add in the green chili, whole or slit, your choice. I've added some water into the dal and I'll just pour that into the pan. Give this a mix and bring it to a boil. Now that it has come to a boil, just stir it from time to time and let it simmer for a few minutes till the dal thickens up slightly. Mash up a few pieces of mango. That has thickened. Add in the mangoes that were left out and the chopped coriander. Mix it up. Season with salt. That looks done. Turn off the heat. Add in the lime juice right before serving. That's ready to be served. Make a well in the rice and pour in the dal as much as you want. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Drizzle some ghee on top and just dig in.